Hi guys, Big Official here. Today we are testing a coin farming combo. The speed is so fantastic. It's Billy, Bithani, Ninjavan, and Trixie. But wait, today Ninjavan will be the main. But I will struggle finding a suitable hoverboard for this character. Congress was there, but they moved it more. No, not Global Portal, it's the worst hoverboard. I think yes, I found the right hoverboard. Super Hooper. Nah, Billy still going to be the main. Let's do the bonus monthly team. And good news is that I got 100 tickets, so let's go. Okay, so we are there. And Billy's first ability chance is literally just 40%. That's why I literally basically cannot get a counter every single time because even the chance is so low. Please, Cyber, don't do this. Fix the nerf, please. They didn't dig this to such a classic. They also did this to many other hoverboards and even Billy and Ninja were. I'm very sad. Please, Cyber, I will leave this game. At least obey me. You should obey your players, your community. Also, we got the download ability. You see, the chance is 40%, but still don't it. Not bad. So what the hell? That was synergy. Oh no. Once I get possum, I will rob, bro. Yes! I got that 40% chance. Yes, I finally got that 40% chance. And no! But this is a coin farming run. Let's go farming. This combo would have rock if it haven't got nerfed, bro. Had they nerfed it. Okay, let's go. Billy was a goated character, now he isn't. You see, he didn't get that strong power. Let's go right, find out left. Yes, something again the light there. This combo is not that bad, but it's not that goated like Billy plus Falcon is. I mean, this combo was with Falcon, but since I don't have that goated hoverboard, I can't do it. Okay, let's keep farming the coins and the whole road is already there. Let's go guys, this is the start. Do it. Yes. I won't get the power yet. I said that. Oh wow! Finally got the double dash ability. I was waiting for this ability to come. What the hell was that? It's a strange synergy or something, guys. Yes, but how the hell will double dash ability benefit me? I think the double dash ability is meant to give power-ups from those charges. Yes, it's meant for that. Yes, I only got that 40% chance to win. Okay, 50, here we go. Oh no, 31 point. At least you could have given me good damage. So now it will be forced out bubble Benson happening, right? It's a weaker combo than Miss Maya and Cover, but it's still a decent combo for farming points because Billy is not a good collector. He will only be good. No. Oh wait! Good synergy. Wow! But that is the best synergy ever. That's only for once though. Okay, here we go, Yutani. After millions of years. Okay, here we go, Yutani. And powers will last twice so long. Okay, double points, yes! The main advantage out there, guys. Yeah, I know. This is a little bit more, but it's still better than Ninja Man plus Cobweb. Yeah, Cobweb is now decent, very decent for console collectors, but for regular collectors, Cobweb is bad. Just horrible. Okay, that's what the charges for fire. At least get in contact, bro. Bro. This ability is useless if you don't get a contact. The 40% chance you can use an escape. Yes. I got that bubble one out there. Okay, land down. Yes! I got that 40%. Yeah, the 40% is pretty low. Okay, let's go. This is with got a good ability. Yes, it can give us strong guardian. But still ain't giving me bubble gum. That's because Billy's both charges are using his dominant like for me. It only giving me like three bolt charges. Yes, bro. It can hit me sometimes, but not that effective. It's reliable, purely automatic. Um. Okay, so okay, so let's continue. Because of you guys, I lost a few memories. Yeah, I mean some personal not going on. Okay, okay, let's stop. No, it's rare. Really super heater. The only combo that can still last is the Religion Sector Classic and Coach Play Sector Classic for me. In the true members, you can choose by your own choice, but only choose that you true members. Okay, stop. No. Okay. We got another useless enemy. Unless we get both arrows. Get the both charges, please. No, sir. Okay, let's go. It's still ain't giving me down, bro. Because this ability is not true. Okay, we finally got a power from this ability. Yes, we got a balloon. Yes! What the hell was that synergy? That's because the 40% chance of stomping was there. I think little less than 5,000 comments is not that bad, especially considering that level thumb is already less. If you need an ability around the guys officially on you in the spotlight here. And just because of series ability, we are getting constant on damage. Okay, let's go, Tommy. Oh, nice. You should have given me the first ability. Because they believe and become a big empire, so the synergy might be good, and we just got an amazing synergy between them. Yes, sweet. Okay, it's time to do it again. We are swimming time, and how to is not bad, especially considering that I can get it. Yeah, I can absolutely get it. Okay, well done, dude. And pointing and very good frequent interacts. So this common might be not just that. Yeah, the fact is, before playing this combo, I was thinking that this combo will be bad, but no good, right? This combo is also dated, but not that overpowered as I expected, but it's still performing pretty much of like well. I just want to unlock the game. I should just unlock these fortune, then everything will be fine. Into this city everything fix it gave me. Let's see if the delay and it is coming. Okay, we got the first out. Oh wow! We again got the data. That's pretty good. Oh, let's go. So it's gonna be a go. Oh yeah, nice. Bro, that's not counted. I got some 49 tickets to open there. That's not too bad, man. Yeah, it's so good. I only want to even that this camera would be big. No, bro. This camera is weaker than the thing with the fountain. But it's absolutely perfect. With the top number 4 spot, the top number 3 spot will be passing onward with the same combo. The top second spot will be gone to PK. This combo. And the first spot will be gone to the community sponsor. But at least this combo is in 4th spot. It's overpowered, but not more than this two. Especially considering that we are getting pretty strong level activity ability with Billy. That's rated. Yes, we again got that 30% chance. This 30% is rare, but at least we're getting, and that's the enough time. Will we get a clear number here? I don't think so. Oh yes, we are getting Ninja. 2.7 million and 6.8. Yes. We got the right ability, guys. That Darwin part was crazy, guys. It was a very rare, late-break synergy that completely got the combo actually succeeded and in that very short time. Wait, why the hell did I go behind and the graphics are set to million? But the texture is still decent for me because I love my graphics. Okay, let's go. 60 out there. Oh wow! We are getting the same ability over and over again. Oh no! And yes, we only get 3 gold charges from the whole of the ability. Okay, you can use them. 7,500 points for me. Not bad, not bad. Let's see how much we played. Oh, 22 minutes. We'll just play until we find the 2 movements because I absolutely love playing with this combo. Okay, let's go. Yes! We finally absolutely said it with this ability. Nothing much, let him be moving, guys. Both of power are appearing at the same time. That's you can go with the ability. Let's go, bubble room. And both ability combine Utani ability with Ninja Man's ability. Let's go, guys. Okay, how about Johnson? I'm absolutely shocked that this combo is actually surprisingly good. Yes, I'm one of those guys who are experimenting different ways to get more points out of the deck. You'll absolutely farm at least 23 points, guys. Oh no, you can't have abilities going, but let's turn on 60 abilities with Ninja ability. Don't miss a point. Oh! Okay, third game on point. Third game on point. This combo absolutely shredded it, guys. I will soon try Possum as soon as we unlock it, guys. I promise you. And I didn't notice that the graphics are back set to high.
And Ninja's abilities done here. Proper empowering. This is that's why I choose the girlies and Billy is the only one. The girlies are giving Billy the best abilities possible. Okay, let's go. That was a regular Billy stand. Okay, let's go. Let's just farm 500 more points, then we are out from here. Let's go, Ninja Man. Yeah. Oh shit. This maybe. Not that crazy, man. But at least we got some points. Okay, here we go, the dogs. Let's do Shiggy. Let's play for 2 more minutes. I rarely got any good synergy, but at least I got. Oh wow! He just repaired the battery. The rarest thing you can see inside the city is like refilling a battery. Okay, we just got 21. Hey, please say ability, please activate. Why is this not activating? Bro! Activate, yeah. This ability is further to activate unless we select one with point level. Yes! Point level with last louder. Good synergy with basically in the time. Okay, let's go. Now no! I have to select this without point W now. Let's go, we will play the last sister. I promise you guys, because it's really. No, the magnet should not be wrong time. Okay, nice. The previous section in the Brilliant Transistor. Oh, what the heck? That's the third crazy synergy. I consider it as the third crazy synergy. Let's at least farm 11 times. Billy won't be able to do anything without the help of Ninja Man and the two girls. Okay, let's just no, not now. Let's die.
And the next district was Sunrise.
Let's go, guys.
Let's double the
बताया कि बॉक्स में
coins
आपको स्कैल्प केयर मिलेगी,
to
सप्लीमेंट्स
help us
मिलेंगे,
get
डाइट मिलेगा.
So the three
it.
things coming together is a holistic solution to grow hair. 93% of people who started this journey actually saw results.
Yeah, guys. 22,000 coins. This combo is freaking crazy, guys. Let's just change our graphics. Okay, so we will almost get this whole boat. So bye guys, see you later. Let's just take a screenshot of the combo. So bye guys, see you later.